Partner.
Hey.
I got the best meats and
The
provisions
laws
right
of people
here.
breaking this town aren't even on the books.
You ain't lying.
How do you do?
I ain't seen you around here. Best to look in the catalog, describes what we got. Want another night? See you soon.
The Lord has blessed us with a mighty fine day. Freshest meats, best prices. Come on now.
Hello there.
Hey, watch your back. I got my eye on you.
Fellers?
Well, hi there, sir. If it's your first time here, take a look around. If you're hungry, I got some produce by the window behind you and some canned goods over by the wall. Mark that down. That's that. Mm-hmm. So I hear some bounty hunters caught up with Nathan Kirk in Strawberry. Nice. I just hope that armadillo epidemic doesn't spread to us. Enjoy it. Take care.
Howdy.
Hey there.
Hey, partner. Howdy. Hello? Howdy.
Hello, mister.
Good to see you. Come on in.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
I need some food. Can I get a meal?
Hello.
Told you the food was good, didn't I?
How do you do?
Some feller came in the other day looking for ice-cold beer, he said. Imagine that.
How are things with you?
Feels like the world's working against me.
Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that.
Who do you think you are?
Hey! Mind your space.
If this fool couldn't bluff his way out of a sack.
Easy, mister.
Hey, mind where you're going.
He bet his own wife on a pair of A's. I'll buy it.
People are saying it's going to be a pretty poor harvest this year, just when we really needed a good one.
That's how it goes these days.
So,
Sheriff beat down a feller near to...
Hello.
How do you do?
Thank you.
How do you do?
Careful, big guy.
Easy.